It is good practice to set the global colors and typography because we want to have consistency throughout the store when it comes to brand colors and font sizes. First, let's set up our global colors and typography. To do that, you need to click on the Stackable icon located at the top right part of the page, and then click on the Global Color Palette tab to open the settings. We have already set 4 colors for you, which include the primary brand color, light background color, black, and white. In this example, we are going to change the primary brand color to red by clicking on the round color shape. A small panel will open where you have to add the hex code of the color. You can also play around by dragging the color bars to the left or right. You can also change the shade of the color. You can also add additional colors to your palette by clicking on the large plus icon. Remember to keep the Show Theme Colors, Show Default Colors, and Show Site Editor Custom Colors settings active. Next, let's change the font or typography of your store by clicking on the Global Typography tab. The page builder called Stackable gives us 6 different headings, a subtitle, and body text. Let's use Heading 2 as an example by clicking on the pencil button located next to it. You can change the font family, font size, weight, text transform, line height, and letter spacing. Notice what happens when you change the font size to 200 pixels. All the headings that use the Heading 2 settings will change in size. We are going to scroll down and see how it looks. You will notice that it is too big, so let's change it back to 44 pixels. You can also change the size of the headings when on smaller screens. First, you need to select the desktop icon next to the font size sections and change it to tablet. The screen will also adapt to your display settings. You can now change the font size for the tablet once it is selected. You can do the same for mobile by selecting the mobile screen option next to font size. Change the font size to 30 pixels and you will notice how it changes all the heading sizes when the screen goes to mobile view. The same can be done for all the headings, including the subtitle and body text. We have also set the font family to sans serif, which is one of the easiest fonts to read, and it also looks very good. If you want to change the font, then you need to click on Font Family field and select the font that you want. We are going to leave these settings just as they are.